Hey guys, this is Smug Your Spy, and this is going to be a racing lawnmower update part 2. Go out in the garage here, got to turn on the radio so we don't get copyright. Wait, there's the racing lawnmower out there. I got the deck halves back off it. Oh shit, didn't even get it in frame. It's looking another world. That's what it looks like without the deck halves. Haven't done much to it. I got the one deck half out here primed, getting ready to paint. That's the right side. And over here, I got the left one, getting it ready. I got the top all stripped. Must hit something on some mode. I gotta strip the bottom still, and I can prime that. That's the 11 horse Briggs that's going on it. For now, I might just take that carb off and dump it on that little 7 horse and make it kick. I'm gonna drop the iPad in the oil, but shit, that's about it. Except for I'm just painting a bunch of stuff. I wish I could make longer or had more stuff to do on the video. If I could edit, I could, you know, get that stuff put together. But maybe do a quick ride around the yard. They don't go very fast. It's still stock pulley, but pushing the clutch. Starts with no choke every time. Oh, kill switch turned on. There's the hood for the racing mower. I set it out here because I'm painting up there, so I didn't like to paint on it. But it runs pretty good. It just blows a little gas out the back of the carb and it leaks a little bit. But I'll get all that situated out. So I'll talk to you guys later.